Good morning, everyone. I am at the Great Falls Creek Trailhead. There is a waterfall that I'm going to be hiking to, and I'm pretty sure that there's a creek crossing um, somewhere. We'll see how big it is. I did bring my chacos in case I need to change into that. It is just going to be, I think it's like a 2 mile hike with 400 feet of elevation gain. It's going to be a pretty chill hike, which will be perfect because it's the beginning of season and I am out of shape. It was my birthday yesterday, so I went camping, which was a lot of fun. It was so nice, and it's so nice today too. So we will see how this trail goes. I'm not sure if I'm going to split my birthday video yesterday and this one. I might. We'll see. So it was a pretty good hike. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. Well, it certainly is. Um, that was a great hike. There's nobody here, which is perfect. That's my ideal hiking scenario. Um, there's like three different waterfall situations happening because it's the river. There's going to be multiple waterfalls, but the main one was so cool. It's kind of like down a channel, super narrow, a little sketchy of a bridge to cross. It was actually better than the one that was lower. It was more stable, but it was closer to the edge of like a smaller waterfall, which was like a little freaky. Um, but that was sick. It was like 2.25-ish miles. Um, I took my sweet time taking all the photos and all the videos. It was a great hike, honestly. Um, maybe I should face this way. It was well worth it. I almost talked myself out of going this morning because I was tired and um I didn't really feel like it, honestly. But I'm glad that I did it. It was super short and sweet, and payoff was awesome. Tons of spiders, which is to be expected, but I hate them, and now I feel like I am covered in them, and it freaks me out. I had to carry my tripod in front of me to like catch all the cobwebs, and that certainly helped, but it was still not great. But that's the price of being the only one on a trail, and I'll take it. It's fine. But this was I like hopped over a oh wow um I hopped over a log, or like I scooted over one, and it scratched my leg, which it didn't really hurt. It's bleeding. I, whatever. Uh, but this video is probably gonna be pretty short, but that's okay. I hope you enjoyed seeing this little hike that I went on, and thanks for watching. Like it if you liked it, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.